Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are reviewing the Nike Air Zoom Vomero 14 running shoes. These retail for $140 on Nike.com, but a few weeks ago I got a really good deal on these for only $76, but it was only for this colorway. So let's check out the specs on these. These have a engineered mesh upper, as you guys can see, and it has React foam throughout the length of the shoe and flywire support. So my first initial impression of this shoe is a really nice looking shoe. It's a nice design on it, not too heavy, pretty lightweight, and you guys can see the tongue is a pretty thin tongue. So, and the back of this shoe is pretty cool. It has this fly away from the ankle right here design. Okay, so overall this is very light, and I just started running a few months ago, so I'm newbie to this, and these are definitely high performing running shoes like the Pegasus. So this is the sister shoe to that, the Vomeros, and later on we're going to be trying these to see how they fit and perform. So guys, I just finished a 2-mile run in the Vomeros for the first time, and it's really cushiony and feels really good. Extra cushion, extra support. It's very comfortable while running in these. As you guys can see, I'm sweating like crazy right now in Riverside Park right here in Manhattan. Beautiful day, beautiful park. And yeah, it was a good first run. Yeah, these are definitely, I recommend to get these. I don't know where you can find it for $76, but they retail for $140 brand new. So as I mentioned, they are $140 on Nike.com right now, but definitely you can shop around online and find better deals. So my initial reaction to this shoe is that it's very comfortable to run in, and it's good for long runs. And also the React foam was really comfortable to wear when you feel it when you're running. And overall, I would recommend this shoe for you guys. Definitely check it out. So some negatives about the shoe is that the top portion can be pretty tight, the laces, but you can absolutely loosen it. It has a very snug fit to your foot. So I would say that's the only negative about that. But overall, the shoe is a very high performing running sneaker. It'll get you through long runs, short runs, and the traction is very good. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.